3 cinematic sound effects for your next video. Cinematic sub-bass Brahms. Extremely low-frequency Brahms that shake the speakers. Perfect for creating a sense of impending doom or ultimate impact, adding depth and power. Cinematic Brahms. Powerful resonant blasts of sound that add dramatic impact. Perfect for emphasizing significant moments, transitions, or intense actions, making your visuals feel larger than life. Cinematic heavy heartbeats. Weighty, forceful heartbeats that add dramatic impact. We've helped over 20,000 video editors on YouTube elevate their sound design skills. Now it's your turn. Get your free sound effects pack today. Click the link to download yours.